So you're thinking of moving to Sarasota and you've got a budget between $500,000 and $600,000. And you're wondering, what kind of neighborhoods can I get into for $500,000 to $600,000? What kind of homes are they going to be? How big are they? Well, in this video, we're going to take you to 4 different communities, all a little bit different, but all with the majority of homes priced between $500,000 and $600,000. One of them is a maintenance-free community. One of them is basically just a family community. It's a little older, but has bigger lots and bigger homes. And one that is close to downtown, really close to downtown, smaller homes, older homes. And then one is just a tried and true neighborhood, basic 3-2s, right there in the Palmer Ranch area. And stick with me to the end because I'm going to share with you my opinion on which one I think has the best value. So come on and join me as we tour some neighborhoods between $500,000 and $600,000. Welcome to the Hamptons, Florida style. The Hamptons has 254 homes from 1,600 square feet to over 3,000 square feet. Situated in one of Sarasota's top-rated school districts, you're just 7 miles from the famous white sands of Siesta Key Beach. You're also close to several popular golf courses and adjacent to the Legacy Trail, which is an 18.5-mile paved bike path from downtown Sarasota all the way to Venice. The Hamptons is also located right there in Palmer Ranch, with an abundance of shopping and restaurants just minutes away. The HOA here is $301 a month, and you get a heated pool, cabana, and clubhouse area, along with irrigation. And even though you're close to the coast, you're not in a flood zone. So we're just strolling up to a listing here in the Hamptons. And this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1803 under air. They've got it listed at $565. You're going to find prices from basically $540 to the $560s here. Right now, we got 3 listings. There's one unusual listing. It's going to be listed at, I believe it's at $684 right now. So it's kind of an anomaly, but you can find prices here between the 5 and the 600s. And Hamptons are a great location right here in Palmer Ranch. This one was built in 2000, and that's right on the cusp of when the codes changed, 2000, 2001. So in homes like this, you want to check to see if they have hurricane shutters. In most cases back then, they weren't doing impact glass. But this gives you a perfect example of what we would find here. Really quaint little neighborhood, good homes, well built, everything looking good here. Let me show you. I'm going to take you through a quick ride around. You're going to see a lot of the tree debris still left over that's yet to be picked up from the hurricanes. But this is give you a fine example. The Hamptons, a really great little neighborhood right here in Palmer Ranch, between $500,000 and $600,000. Staying in the highly regarded Palmer Ranch area, we enter the gated community of Mira Lago at Palmer Ranch. Directly across from Prestancia, one of Sarasota's premier golf course communities, Mira Lago offers a carefree lifestyle with a community pool, landscaping, irrigation, and interior and exterior pest control for just $398 per month, paid quarterly. Mira Lago also offers that great Palmer Ranch location, convenient to commerce, shopping, and the beach. So here we are in Mira Lago at Palmer Ranch. Not to be confused with Donald Trump's Mira Lago. This is a maintenance-free gated community. And these homes, probably designed for retirees back in the 90s. This home that I'm standing in front of, this listing, is built in 1995. So it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and all the homes that you see around me, very similar. They're all 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. So this one's 1851 under air, and it's priced at $548. So there's 4 listings in here. The price between $535 to $575. So that's what you're going to get in this area. But it's really nice that it's maintenance-free, gated, and it's right here in Palmer Ranch. That's where it's got that Palmer Ranch cachet. And as you can see, barrel tile roofs. A great option for a family, or a young family, or old family. Now, it's not a deed restricted 55 plus or anything like that. But as you can see, it was probably geared towards older couples and such like that. So being here in Palmer Ranch, this gives you an idea of what else you can get. Up front, they've got a lot of villas, but these are actually right on the lake here. This one's on a lakefront, and it's really easy living. Great community here in Palmer Ranch. Of course, people love Palma Ranch because you're so close to the beach. You're so close to 41, lots to do here. But that'll give you an idea of what you can get in the 500s. So 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1851 under air, built in 1995. Mira, Lago at Palma Ranch. Now, if this is your first time on our channel and you want to learn everything about Sarasota, and especially what you can get for different price ranges, make sure you subscribe and tap that notification bell. This way you'll be the first to know when we release the new videos with different price ranges and in different nearby towns like Bradenton and Venice. As we head east, just past the I-75 Bee Ridge exit, we come to Bentry Village, a wonderful family community that has been a Sarasota favorite for years and years. With easy access to a slew of shops and retail stores just minutes from the entrance, you've also got great schools and nearby churches just up the road. Plus, you're 5 minutes to Rothenbach Park and its wonderful miles of shaded and walking biking trails that meander through the woods. With larger than normal lot sizes, you get a more old-fashioned neighborhood feel with an HOA with dues of only $300 per year. So we're taking a walk through Bentry, which is an older but very popular neighborhood. This has been popular for 30 years and it's still popular today. Very family-oriented neighborhood. And I think what people like about it is no two homes are exactly alike. No cookie cutter here. You see a lot of Florida homes, stucco, they all kind of look very similar. But these homes are very unique. Like I said, every single one of them. And I believe the builder back in the day, the developer, tried to make sure that they were all unique. And this one I'm standing in front of, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath listing. It's priced at $549, so basically $550. And this was built in 1979, so that'll give you an idea of what you have here. So you got a lot of older homes with bigger backyards, a very unique neighborhood. And it's a very popular neighborhood too, because there's a golf course here and it's an incredible location. So this one particular needs some refreshing, but at $550 and 2,500 square feet, that's basically $221 price per square foot. So that's a pretty decent deal. So as I said, these homes are very unique. It has a more of a, what I'd say, a northern community feel, since they all kind of look different, not that particular stucco type. And let me see if I can show you some homes around here. But having a golf course, having a good school district, having all the commercial stores right nearby. We're just about 2 miles on the east side of I-75 here off of Bee Ridge Road. So if you took a map and you looked at Bee Ridge Road basically bisects Sarasota in two between north and south. So it's very centrally located. In this particular neighborhood, you're just minutes away to 2 different Publix supermarkets. So you're really close to all kinds of big box stores, from Walmart, Home Depot, tons of restaurants. Great location, great schools, and really unique homes. I think that makes for a reason why a lot of families settle here. So whether it's a starter home or your forever home, Bentry is a unique opportunity, and it's still priced great. We've got about 3 or 4 listings, all between $540 to $590 here. So it's something to take a look at. If a home or a neighborhood like this matches you, just let me know and we'll find you one. On to the next. Now let's drive north towards downtown, where we're going to stop at one of Sarasota's hottest and rapidly changing neighborhoods, Loma Linda Park. Bordered by US 41, Bay Vista Street, where Sarasota High School is, and Tuttle Avenue, the neighborhood is hard to define, as homes from the 50s are slowly being replaced by brand new modern 2-story homes, as the appetite for close to downtown neighborhoods is in full swing. With no HOA to deal with and an incredible in-town location, Loma Linda also boasts having beautiful Arlington Park within walking distance. Now, Arlington Park offers an indoor basketball court, 2 pools, outdoor athletic courts, and a serene walking trail that just adds to the convenience and cachet of the neighborhood. So I'm in the Loma Linda Park neighborhood. We're really just 5 minutes from downtown. It's like 2 minutes from Sarasota High School. And I'm standing in front of kind of a typical older home here. So since we're so close to town, we've got stuff that's built in the 1950s to 1960s. We're really close to town, so we're just a couple streets away from US 41. And this one is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, about 1426 under air, and it's priced at $550. So once again, that tells you about location, location, location. So this house is built, I believe, in 1955. It's a 1950 style home. As you can see, they've got a carport and everything. And this is what you're going to find in these streets. But as we show you, as we drive around, what's happening is a lot of homes are being demolished, and you're getting big, brand new 2-story homes, and those are going to probably average about $1.5 million and up. There's actually on the same street, there's another $2 million listing. We're going to show you a bunch of those. But this gives you an idea. Here, Loma Linda Park, right here in pretty close to downtown. We're just, like I said, 5 minutes away from downtown. You're within walking distance to the city core. Like you're within walking distance to Sarasota High School. But as we go up and down here, the lot values are amazing. A lot of these older homes, let me show you just what's across the street from this home. That gives you an idea. Just older 1950s style homes, but because where they're at, where they're located, that's what it is. Location, location, location. So right just a couple of doors down, they're building up and down the street. You can hear the sounds of construction. I don't know if you can see that behind this house, catty corner, you got a brand new home. So that shows you kind of what they're building behind me there. That shows you the kind of homes they're building. And like I said, we're gonna drive out this neighborhood and we're gonna show you some of that new construction. So once again, if you want something close to downtown, price is pretty hefty. And like I said, this is just an average old little home, $550. So you're seeing stuff here in this Loma Linda neighborhood. We've got, I think, probably about 3 listings, and they're all in the 500. So it gives you an idea. And a lot of people might see this as lot value. But this one's move-in ready and ready to go. But downtown, location, location, location.
So which one of these neighborhoods fits your lifestyle? Leave a comment or send me an email. As always, reach out today, even if you're not moving for quite a while. Now, for the best investment, if you can find an older home near downtown and live there for 5 or more years, you'll probably see the highest appreciation, as the land and location are quite scarce. But for me, personally, I like the older and incredibly convenient neighborhood of Bent Tree. With the size of these homes, you can always remodel and stay put for years to come. And it's harder to find neighborhoods where the homes aren't on top of each other. Now, I do like the location of the Hamptons too, but I feel these neighborhoods will lose their appeal to the shinier, newer neighborhoods over time. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Stay tuned as we continue to climb the pricing ladder. For Living and Buying in Sarasota, I'm Rob Rovnak. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.